Welcome back to Kushtka Garage, everyone. Got a fun one for you today. So you just got a brand new Spicer U-joint. You installed it on the rear part of the drive shaft that hooks up to your rear differential. And the dang thing is just flopping around in there. No matter how much grease you put in there, it just does not seat. Well, might have a fix for you. I know it worked for me. And let me take you under the truck and show you what I'm talking about. All right. All right, so this is a brand new Spicer U-joint. It's tight on both ends here, and it's loose where the straps are. No matter how much grease I put in there, it will not stay tight. I thought maybe it was the wrong U-joint, maybe it's not long enough. But then I thought, it's like, wait a minute, these are pretty old, rusty straps. Been reused I don't know how many times. Maybe I just need to put them in a vise and flatten them out a bit. Maybe they're just a little too stretched, so they won't hold. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these off, the 7/16, and put them in a vise after I clean them up a bit, and then put them back in and see if we can't solve that issue. All right, hopefully this is showing up here. Try to get it to focus. Hopefully you can see that. So I am seeing two gnarred up ridges on each side, which would prevent it from seating all the way. So that could be part of the issue. Also, it's a little old, beat up, so it might be a little stretched up, but that will definitely not allow it to seat all the way. So I'm gonna go ahead and I don't know, try to pound that out, grind it, maybe hit it with the yeah, I'll probably just hit it with the ankle grinder and see what happens. Okay, it's looking a lot better. Should have a little better mating surface now. And lastly, just gonna give it a little bit of bend there. I don't want to bend it too much because I want the bolts to still fit, obviously. But I do want it to smash down a bit so that it's gripping that U-joint a little better. Oh yeah. Just looking at this, I don't know if you can see that, but there is a bit of a gap. Do this one-handed. Flatten that out. All right, give that a go. Okay. Grab one of these. We got a little bit of rocking back and forth here. That's good. We got a little more rocking back and forth than the other one, but I think that's going to mean it's going to be a little bit tighter. So looks like I need to get new bolts anyways. As you can see, these bolts have seen better days. Oh, that's already solid. Oh yeah. I don't even have the other side in yet. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to tighten this up, see if I can wiggle it back and forth, which I can tell I already won't be able to. Then I'm going to loosen it up again, get the grease gun, fill it up with grease so that the caps are seated all the way, and then take it for a test drive. And maybe this will cure my vibration issue. Okay, that just ran on with 35-pound power ratchet. Oh, and it ain't going nowhere. I think that did it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and speed it up a little bit. I'll grab my grease gun. Here, back. No back and forth play. Hopefully that did the job. Smooth as butter, boys. Smooth as butter. That seemed to solve the issue. Just had to work on those straps a little bit is all. As you seen, it had a big old burr, got dinged up. Not sure how. Maybe, I don't even know how rocks and stuff. No clue. I don't even know. Not sure how that happens. It got stretched out a bit over time. As you can tell, the bolts are pretty nasty. I should probably order new bolts, new straps anyways, just for good measure. But for right now, got me back on the road, solved that nasty vibration issue that I was having, and I was going crazy, guys. I was like, man, I know I bottomed out on one of those old logging roads, and I thought I just bounced the pumpkin off the high center of the logging road, and but maybe I hit a drive shaft. Maybe it was when I drove over that log. But I couldn't find any dings or dents or anything anything on the drive shaft that would tell me that, I bent the hell out of it. So solved that vibration issue that I had for past few weeks now, and it actually shredded my carrier bearing, so I had to change that out again. Got that fixed, got the carrier bearing fixed, got those straps nice and tight again. Vibration issue is gone. She drives nice and smooth. So that might be the fix for you guys. At first, I could have sworn that it was that I was sold the wrong U-joint. I was about to march back to the parts store and shake my fists at him and say, sons of bitches, sold me the wrong U-joint. But then I was thinking about it, I was like, no, that can't be it, because I just put that U-joint on there not 2 days ago, and the other U-joint had the same problem, and that U-joint was on there for 2 years, and it was like a Toyga the entire time until last few weeks or month or however long. I'm not even sure. It's been a while, and anyways, so I got to thinking, those old beat up straps, might be the issue. Maybe it's just not holding it in place. Maybe it's just not gripping those caps like it used to. Sure as shit, that was a fix. Alright guys, well, I'm happy as a clam. I'm gonna go take Pig for a ride, go take a victory lap, and we'll see you on the next one.